These right here are handcuffs for your fingers. And today I'm going to try them out on my girlfriend. Just hope it works. Baby! Come here! Huh? I'm in Lexington's room.
Why are you in Lexington's room?
Because he's napping out in the room. I want to show you something.
What?
I got you a quift.
A what?
A quift.
A quit?
Quift. It's a
Huh?
quarantine gift.
Oh, what
You've
is
been
it?
stuck inside so long, I wanted to give you something nice. And it's a new trend all online, so I did something for you.
What is it?
Close your eyes and hold your hands out and I'll show you.
Aww.
Yeah. I hope you like it. I hope it fits. Close your eyes, hold your hands up.
Oh, is it a bracelet?
Is it a bracelet? I don't know. Does it sound like Pandora? Close your eyes.
Sounds like a bracelet.
Do you like Pandora bracelets? Should I take it back?
No.
Okay,
No.
alright, hold your hands up.
Okay.
Oh my
Oh, is
goodness.
it a
Oh,
ring?
I don't know. It might be a
Pinky ring?
special.
You got me two
Oh, I got you two pinky rings. I got you two pinky rings. I got you two pinky rings. I got you locked up is what I got you, girl. You ain't going nowhere. Where
take
you
it off.
going?
Take it
Where
off.
you?
Corey, I'm not playing with you. Take it off.
Hey, let me get a
I'm
high
not even
five.
playing with
Let
you.
me.
Where, Corey, where's the key? I have so much to do today. This is not okay.
Relax.
No, this is not okay. Where's the key?
Relax.
Where's the key?
The key
Oh my
is
God, where's
over
the key?
here somewhere.
Where's the key? Where's the key?
It's right there. It's in there.
Ah.
Just open it up and get the key out. Everything's gonna be all right. It's okay.
Come on. Come on.
Just get the.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
It's kind of funny.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Go ahead, keep going.
Shut up.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on, where's the key at? Where's the key?
Oh my God. Corey.
Keep going.
Corey.
Keep going. There's got to be a key in there somewhere. I put it in there.
Oh my God. Another one?
Where's the key? Where is the key?
Well, this one's really freaking hard to
Oh,
open.
where's the key? Where's the
It's not
key?
opening.
Where is
It's
it?
not. This one doesn't even open.
Where is it? Where?
No.
Oh, oh.
No.
Oh, damn.
No, you didn't.
I didn't mean.
No, you didn't.
Oh no. Didn't mean to.
Ow! 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 It's pinching my skin! Oh no, it's pinching my skin! Oh,
Come on, relax, relax. It's right here. I didn't drop it. I didn't drop it. It's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. It's bleeding. Where?
Oh my God! It hurts so bad! It hurts so bad! Get it! Oh my God! Please open it! Please open it! Please open it!
I'm trying.
It hurts so bad! It's pinching my skin! It's pinching my skin!
No.
I knew you didn't drop the key.
Didn't hurt. I did drop it. I just didn't let it fall out the window. Crazy. Wait, it didn't hurt?
No.
You told me the whole time it didn't hurt? Well, that's not funny.